Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is a Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and review of a PITAKA case for the iPhone 13 Pro. This is a review sample provided to us by PITAKA, and we'll link in the description to where you can find it on their site and a few other places as well. So the packaging on this premium product really does live up to its category. And as you can see, it's quite a premium box with a bit of a mission statement on the back and a history about the company. But once you open up the casing, you're faced with the product itself, and this is a carbon fibre case compatible with MagSafe for the iPhone 13 Pro. And very handily, at the bottom of the packaging, you have a QR code here about how to install, but apparently how to take the case off. So let's have a look at it in a bit more depth. So this is the case. It's an extremely slimline carbon fibre case. There's a bit of PITAKA branding on the inside, highlighting the fact that it's compatible with MagSafe. The case itself has a bit of a lip to raise up that camera bump on the iPhone 13 Pro, and the PITAKA logo in a glossy emboss on top of the carbon fibre. And the carbon fibre has that typical, very subtle feel to it. It's smooth, but you can feel the ridges of the carbon fibre. So let's put the iPhone 13 Pro into this case. Oh, that fits really nicely. So, it's very, very slim. So on the iPhone itself, you can see here, there's practically no lip. It adds very little in terms of volume to the back of the device. And on the corners, you have a little bit of protection, but it leaves the top level and most of the bottom accessible to you for chargers, speakers, and so forth. So when it comes to protection, it's going to obviously protect the back the best. In terms of the front, there's very little lip at the front that is covered. That means that essentially you're not really protecting your screen. I would recommend a screen protector with this case. And on the back, the other thing is, as we saw earlier, the raised lip for that camera module, which gives you about 0.5 millimeter from the camera lens itself to the surface of where you put the phone down. Now obviously the iPhone 13 Pro has a bit of a silly camera bump. The camera is one of the highlights of the device, but I would say that it does offer a little bit more protection than other cases we've reviewed here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Now obviously this is a very premium material. It's actual carbon fibre. It feels really nice to hold. It's smooth, but as I said, it's got that little texturing to it. It looks really, really sleek, especially with my blue iPhone 13 Pro. So I think this is definitely a case that I would like you to know that this is priced in the around about $50, $60 price range. It is a real premium case. So if you want to protect your iPhone but still not bulk it up, it's something I would recommend. But bear in mind that in terms of corners and edges, it doesn't offer a lot of protection. It's mainly for the back and that camera bump. So if you're looking for a very slimline case, a premium case that feels good, and you know it's real carbon fibre, I can definitely recommend this. But bear in mind that it is that slimline case, and when you go for slimline cases, in most situations you're making a trade-off between the actual protection of your device and I'd say the convenience of being able to easily hold the device and pop it in your pocket. Anyway, as I said, I'll leave a link in the description to where you can purchase this case. I'll leave a link to where you can look up PITAKA on their website and see their eco-friendly mission statement and how they reuse existing materials to make their products. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories such as this case, these types of cases, and pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.